Gems, this is Diamond G. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to bring you a wig unboxing and review of this is Naked Brazilian Natural 100% human hair premium lace front wig from Shake and Go. Here is the packaging. I bought it at my local beauty supply for $99. This is what it looks like on the model. I actually end up buying the display. So I did receive 10% off for buying the display at my local beauty supply. I'm going to take this wig out. This is my first time really taking it out since I bought it. Uh-oh. Blooper. Okay. It comes like with all of this crap in there. I don't know, because he kind of put it back in the box. I don't think he put it back correctly, the owner of the beauty supply, but that's okay. I'm going to take it out. I bought the floor display because I wanted this color, which is T27. The style is Bonnie. Natural wet look waves. Let's see what other information the tag has. Okay. This says it can be dyed, bleached, and permed, and it has hair care instructions in there. This is the color again, is the T27 with the dark roots. I do usually, when I do blonde, I do more of a 613. That's like my signature thing, whether I have braids or a wig or a weave. Other than my natural hair, I do like to wear blonde wigs. 613, more of a pale blonde. This is more of a golden honey blonde, so I'm going to try it. And it says it is dyeable. It was only $99. So if I don't like the color, then what I will do is bleach it and tone it to a lighter color of blonde that I like. But look at these curls. Like, I feel like, am I going to even have to spray this with water or anything, put any product in it? I don't know. But I really like it. So, it does have about an inch of lace in the front to be cut off. The only place it has lace in the inside is the part which on the stock card looks like it's supposed to be worn as a middle part, but I guess it would be up to you. Yeah, on the stock card she has a middle part, but it's really up to you. If you want to twist your wig to the side and have a side part, these kind of curly, wet and wavy wigs, they do that just fine. So let me see, does it have baby hairs? Let's see. Yeah, so she does have some baby hairs in there, and that's what they showed in the card. So you're not going to have to make your own baby hairs. This is more of a stiffer lace, which I like for these kind of wigs that are not like full frontal wigs, because then you don't have to use glue. It's glueless. I've ordered very nice wigs from Amazon that claim to be glueless, but then the lace is so soft that the sides don't really lay down. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that off. I already have my wig cap underneath. I'm not doing no bald cap method because I have no intention of gluing this wig down, and this is just a review. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on and come right back. Actually, before I do that, let's just go real quick. It has two clips in the front, two combs in the front, which you can keep in or take off. A comb in the back. Adjustable straps like the bra strap, elastic kind. It's all, this part right here is just like fabric lace, and then the wefts are sewn onto here. So it's a breathable unit. Should be good for warm weather. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the tag. Hmm. This is the unit on my head with the lace on there. Here are the knots. You might want to put some makeup on the inside and the outside, and because the knots you can see are very visible. Or if you're into bleaching your knots, you can go ahead and do that. I don't really do that because I don't have experience with it, and I'm always scared I'm going to mess up the wig, especially the kind that has like these um, two-tone coloring to it, because I don't want it to look all bleached in here. What I can say is you don't have to bleach the knots, and then the part comes back a lot. So that makes it very natural. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to cut off the lace and come back with the wig on with the lace cut off. And I'm going to cut this lace all the way off, being careful not to cut the baby hairs. There's the baby hairs. They're nice. Like, you might not even have to cut them. Okay, once the spray has dried just a little bit, that's when I'm going to apply my wig. And this is not to glue on a wig or anything. This is just something I do to create that seal right around the hairline of a glueless wig. So it's not like using a whole bunch of got-to-be or anything. And this lace is more stiff. It's not super hard. It is comfortable. Sometimes when the lace is hard and plasticky and the wig is snug, that lace does tend to cut into the hair. So as you can see, this part is a little bit frizzed out right here. And I'm not going to even do much to this wig. I'm just going to show you right here. That's the bounce back with just water, fresh out the pack, just water. Normally a wig like this, I would wash and condition it one time. Because even as I'm pulling my fingers through, I can feel the roughness, which causes shedding. And that's most likely from me cutting it, because I've been tossing this wig around just a little bit and doing this tutorial, and this is the most shedding that I have, and I think that was from maybe cutting the lace. So, and I can already feel where the spray is working to hold down the edge of the lace. And there we go. This is her. This is Bonnie. She's not styled or anything. I'm just running my fingers through right now, and you can hear it. The hair is very soft, but then you can also kind of hear where it's tangled at a little bit. And this is the shedding that I got from just running my fingers through the front. But the curls are luscious. So it's a human hair wig. It's $99. So I would say it meets expectations. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and style it, because I think I'm going to wear this out today. I do have some errands to run, me and my husband, so I'm going to style it, and then what I will do is insert some pictures of how I wear it today. And just once again, thank you for joining me, gems. Stay beautiful, shine on forever. Remember, diamonds are created under pressure, baby. So whatever you're going through today, know that tomorrow you're going to shine like the brightest VVS. Love you, gems.